Hello everyone, welcome to the multi-part video series on creating an e-commerce application in Flutter with a Strapi backend server. By following the step in this multi-part video, you will get a working mobile application with a backend server in Strapi. Strapi is a headless CMS based on JavaScript. Don't worry if you have not used it yet. We will show the step-by-step process on using Strapi. Before diving into the series, let me share the prerequisite for this video series. We assume you might at least have basic knowledge on Flutter, so we can leave that Flutter prerequisite. To use Strapi, you need to install Node.js. Head over to the Node.js website and install the latest version. Once completed, create a folder on your favorite path and run the below command in the terminal. npx create Strapi app at latest. I'm giving the name open fashion backend. Yes, to proceed. When it asks for installation type, select quick start. That will be good for our application. Once done, wait for the command to run and complete. Once the installation is completed, a web server would be initiated and you would see this login screen. During the first time, you need to set up an administrator account for accessing your Strapi server. Let's now create an account for us. Once you created an account, you will be logged in to the admin dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see Content Manager, where you can manage all the contents like updating, creating and deleting the records. In the Content Type Builder tab, you can create new collections, types and content. Collections are like tables. With Strapi, you can create new tables and data types with the help of UI Builder easily. Currently, we have user collection already created for us and ready to use. We will come back to this and create more collection later. As the name suggests, in the media library, you can manage all your media files. The plugin tab lists all the Strapi plugins installed in our project. In the marketplace, you can find extra plugins and install them when you need it. The setting tab is one of the important tabs where you can configure the project, API tokens, webhooks, user roles and permissions and many more. We will use them when we needed them in our e-commerce application. If you want, you can go ahead add your custom logo here. But we are not going to do that in this project. That's all for this part of the video. We will explore the Strapi application more in the next video and create some data for the Flutter application. If you are facing any issue in installing and using Strapi application, please comment below the video. Thank you and we will meet you in next video.